Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change the payment information that you have stored on Google AdSense. So as a YouTuber, you can essentially change the bank account on which YouTube pays into. So first things first, sign into Google AdSense, and on the top left hand corner you're going to see AdSense for YouTube. If you select this, you're going to see this screen right here. It shows your balance and your next payment. However, if you go to the left hand side and select the payments menu, the payments drop down, you're going to see something that says payments info. Select that, and then it's going to bring up your general Google AdSense payment page where you can see your last payouts and balances and how you get paid currently. And if you scroll down, there's going to be a section that says and has your bank account, and this is under the how you get paid section that I just clicked on. There's going to be an option for add new payment method. Select that, type in all of the details that you have for your brand new bank account, your name, sort code, and of course account number, and then it will say yes, it's been added, but you need to verify your bank account. They're going to deposit a certain amount of money inside your bank account in the next 3 days. Once that's gone in, come back to this very page, select verify, select the amount of money they sent you, and then Bob's your uncle, and you can verify that new bank account. It'll all be sorted. And if you take a look at your transaction history on your bank account, the one you'd like to be paid into by Google or YouTube, it'll have a number for the amount that Google Island often or Google AdSense has paid you. So you just need to basically type that number in, and then you're good to go. Your bank account has been changed, and I hope this has helped you out. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, leave a like and subscribe.